What up, everybody? So today I'm gonna show you an unboxing of the Preme lighter. So let's get to it. There's no time to fucking waste. It's pretty cool. So that's our logo on there. And take the sticker off. There it is. Color scheme of Supreme is always dope. I mean, anything they put it on. Like, you know what? I'm just gonna actually put some fuel in it so you guys can see how it lights up. Cause yeah, man, this thing's dope. So I'm back with the Zippo, fluid, and lighter. So if no one's ever done this before, easy. You just pull this out. Just lift this little tab right here. And just pour the fluid in there. Just pour a little bit. Should be good enough for a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. There it is. Clean yourself up a little bit. You don't want to burn your hand. There it is. Pretty dope ass Supreme lighter. Boom. There it is. I might do more reviews, unboxing of stuff that I personally like and buy, so stay tuned. But yeah, this lighter is pretty dope. Pretty damn dope. Thanks for watching, guys.